Bora Bora, the ultimate tropical destination. We stayed at one of the nicest resorts on the island, the Four Seasons. Thankfully, we were able to snag a discount, but these luxury bungalows typically cost $2,000 a night. Join us on our weekend stay for some helpful tips for your next trip and an honest review of our experience. We headed over to the Moorea Airport, which was just this tiny little airport, and took a puddle jumper over to Bora Bora.
You can just expect if you're going to French Polynesia that you're going to be spending money. The only way to get between most of the islands is by plane. Our flight from Moorea to Bora Bora was only 40 minutes, but round trip it was over $500. When we arrived at the airport, we took the Four Seasons boat over to the hotel and got checked in.
And that's where the dream began. First of all, the customer service at the Four Seasons in Bora Bora was top-notch. They were amazing. We had like our own little personal concierge who took us over to our Overwater Bungalow and gave us the grand tour, and we saw around several other times during our stay there. And walking into that bungalow was just mind-blowing. Let's go check it out. To our new home! They left us the honeymoon package, so we got some champagne, macaroons. They did warn us here that this is part of the honeymoon package, massage oil, don't drink it. Apparently, they've had that problem. One of our favorite parts of this incredible bungalow was the private deck with access to the water and an incredible view of the mountains. Big Ben. Ow! I hit my tooth with my necklace. This is 5-star resort life. They brought me a stump for my purse.
I think we have the best view anybody has ever had for just a casual lunch.
Cheers, baby.
Cheers.
This is heaven.
What a way to end it all.
Ooh, that's ominous. Something fun at the Four Seasons was just off their main beach. They had this small little island that was within technically walking distance, but it was really pretty, and we wanted to head out. Well, let's say we, I should say I wanted to head out and take some pictures on the island, but I think the best shots we got were of John.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, we dubbed it Instagram Island. All right, it's time for me to be a good Instagram husband. We're gonna swim to that island over there, and I'm gonna take pictures of Andrea for probably 4 or 5 hours.
Good husband.
Let's do this. Oh yeah, emerged like a supermodel. Yeah. Once we got Andrea's beautiful pictures, then I decided to take my shot at becoming a Sports Illustrated model. Just shooting the John Illustrated calendar here. I think it went pretty well.
Sports Illustrated. Yeah. Call him.
I'm a little different. A little different than your normal person on the cover, but Maybe they'll like the hairy chest.
You can borrow snorkeling equipment from the resort, and while you can go snorkeling just outside your bungalow, the water there is pretty deep and not super clear. But thankfully, the resort had this other really neat lagoon that was full of all kinds of tropical fish and made for some really great snorkeling.
It's insane, like these fish are 3 inches away from us, just swimming around us. They just, you step in the water and they're like, hello, friend. I've never seen so many fish that are just cool with you being here, just trying to chicken you out.
People talk and tell what you wanna hear now, but they all disappear, they will let you down, so we better stick together, let's come whatever, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the world, gotta get it right now. We only need the two of us together. I need only you in this crazy world, 'cause we got love, love. I need only you here with me.
We saw several puffer fishes that were, you know, almost as big as a basketball, which was just incredible. I've never seen them bigger than, you know, an orange.
And a huge manta ray out in the
Yeah, that
ocean.
was really cool. We were walking back to our bungalow one of the days, and we just looked down, and there was just a manta ray gliding around the shore. So when we got to Bora Bora, we really didn't have much in the way of plans. We spent a lot of time at the pool, a lot of time in the lagoon. That was probably the only time I've ever been to such a nice pool. We were at the pool, and there's maybe 6 people at it, and there's at least 6 servers. And we'd be drinking our pina coladas, and we'd set it down, and like the second the cup hit the table, they're like, "Sir, would you like another?"
Or they bring some complimentary water. You would literally have a sip of water and they would come by, let me refresh that and change it out for a new glass. It was remarkable.
Now at $25 a pina colada, I can understand why they'd be so attentive.
But yeah, so we just got to relax, enjoy the beach. John did some more paddle boarding. I did a little bit of kayaking.
So that was our last day. We packed up and we got on the boat to go back to the airport to take our flights home. It was kind of a sad time.
Well, our time at the Four Seasons Bora Bora came to an end, but we had a really incredible experience. The bungalows, the customer service, everything truly is 5-star. However, do note that if you are planning to visit, it is going to be premium prices for everything from the bungalow to $25 pina coladas to $60 breakfast buffet. The bill really does add up pretty quickly. Also, unless you're planning to do a lot of off-site excursions like jet skiing, scuba diving, some off-site snorkeling, it can get pretty easy to get that sort of island fever and get a little bit bored. So honestly, our 3-day stay was the perfect amount of time. But it really is the vacation of a lifetime. So if you're looking for the perfect place to celebrate that next special occasion, this is an awesome choice. Or you can also check out our video of our Overwater Bungalow in Moorea.